Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing tools and safety. Gloves, the correct H11 replacement, a 10mm wrench and a rag. Once ready, open the hood and prop it. Locate the headlight housing from behind the bumper. You may disconnect the negative battery terminal for safety if you expect to touch wiring. This prevents shorts while you work. Next, remove the rubber dust cap or plastic cover on the rear of the headlight assembly so you can reach the bulb socket and wiring harness. This gives direct access to the lamp. You unplug the electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling straight back. This disconnects power. Then locate the retaining spring or bayonet mount. Press and lift the spring or turn the socket counterclockwise to free the bulb. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out, don't force it. Before installing the new H11, wear gloves or use a clean rag because oils on skin cause hotspot failure. Insert the new bulb fully. Lock the spring or twist the socket until it seats, and reconnect the wiring harness securely. Once the new bulb is locked in, replace the rubber dust cap or plastic cover and reinstall any splash shield or panels you removed. Make sure clips and screws are snug. Reconnect the negative battery terminal if you disconnected it earlier. Now turn on the ignition and switch on low beams to confirm the lamp is working and properly aimed. Make sure the light pattern looks even. If it isn't, check the bulb seating and connector. Troubleshooting tip: if the lamp doesn't light, inspect the fuse and harness connector for corrosion or a loose pin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.